Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to use hyaluronic acid gel, easy method. Start with clean skin and a pea-sized drop. Apply to damp skin, then gently pat until absorbed and follow with moisturizer or sunscreen. Avoid mixing with strong acids and always patch test new products on a small area before full use. Think of hyaluronic acid gel as a thirsty sponge for your skin. Apply it to damp skin to draw in hydration, then lock it in with a cream. Keep the layer thin to prevent stickiness and avoid using it with very strong actives at the same time. If you have sensitive skin, start every third night, then increase use as tolerated. Common mistakes include applying to dry skin, using too much product, or layering incompatible acids. If your skin feels tight, reduce frequency and add a heavier moisturizer. For breakouts, simplified routine until skin calms and consult a dermatologist for persistent reactions. Keep expectations realistic and allow a few.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.